Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall try to explore classes and objects in C++ with a simple example. As we already know that C++ is object-oriented programming language, everything in C++ is associated with class and object, along with its attributes and methods. Say for example, in a real life, if you take an example of car as an object, its attributes may be weight, color, etc. And also its methods or functions could be driving, braking, accelerating, etc. So hence the attributes are nothing but the variables and methods are nothing but the functions. So in a nutshell, we can say that class is a blueprint or a user defined data type, and object is an instance of that blueprint, or object is an instance of the class. So when the class is created, no memory gets allocated in the RAM, but when the object is created, memory gets allocated in the RAM. So this was regarding class and object. So let's take a simple example. Let's add a file, say for example class object, okay, and let's add a class. So the keyword class followed by the class name, say for example new class, and yeah, it should be ended with semicolon. That is one thing. And we'll add few attributes, say two attributes. Attribute attribute one maybe integer, so number. And let's add another attribute, maybe a string. We in C++ we have this string type directly, so string, maybe new string. So we have created the class. Now we have the blueprint of our object ready. So class is like as we told, it's a blueprint for creating an object. So here again we have something called access specifiers, which we can use. By if we do not use this by default, these attributes or data members will be private, but let's take public now. We'll add it as public. Yes, of course, regarding these access specifiers in the upcoming videos we will discuss clearly. By default we will for now we will take it as public. So public type. And yes, we will try to create an object and try to access these attributes and assign them some values. So maybe main, maybe int main. And let's create a object. So the class name, that is new class, and let's create an object one maybe. And so this is object one. Creation. So now we will try to access the attributes. And we will set them the values or assign the values. So object name, that is obj one dot, you get the attributes, that is maybe number equals maybe 15, and obj new string. So we will set a string, maybe some data, some valid data. So this is accessing the attributes, that is data members, and assigning them the values. So this is done. We will try to print out those values. So cout. So for this, as we already discussed, we need the namespace. So using namespace std namespace. And sorry, what is the problem here? Okay, Yeah, namespace std. Yeah, this is good now. And yeah, iostream. So just include iostream. Okay, so I think this is good. So namespace and the class, attributes, object creation, accessing the accessing the attributes and assigning them the values and just printing them out. Yeah, so let's just copy this and let's print it here. And yeah, new line, that is yeah, /n and C out again for the new string. Yes, I think this is good. Let's just return 0. Yeah, so I think everything looks good. So let's try to run this. Yes, so we created a class with the two attributes, and we created the object of that class, and we tried to access those attributes from this object, and we tried to assign them some values, and we just printed the assigned values. So this was regarding the class and object. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.